Hi guys, this is my gun popular video. I'm really playing Minecraft Real. If you have no money but you want Minecraft play, you can install Bcraft for real Minecraft. At that game is this, and I think I need look what I will do. Rain and yeah. What the? What the? What the? What the? It's rain. It's raining tacos. What the? Get this door. No. What? Rain killed me? Rain killed me. Rain killed me. What the heck? I need to wait for finish rain, but there's not my stuffs. What can I do for I get my stuff and I save? How can I get my stuff and get food for it? Where's my kit? Kit, come! You will dead. What? My llama? Llama! Oh, he protects. Here I only move. That villager dead, and there's my stuffs. What can I do? How can I get my stuffs in this? What a... There's something good. I need a villager die. My kid died. I need some sleep for done this. And I see my kid died. I don't know. I still want my kid. Someone villager. Some villager. Hello villager, how are you? Really, I like you. You are right here in your life. Yeah, because thank cool one emerged and make a nice Michael. Oh, okay. I need emerald, guys. I got this. There's something neat. Yes. Bye. Nice villagers. Oh, villagers died. All Earth died. I am alone. Yay. Close shopping. Meat. I would like raw chicken. Yeah, maybe. If I have a McDonald's, that good or bad? That can I see somebody? No. Where I do my McDonald's? Wait a minute. This is my time. That good? Here. Don't need this. No, wait. I do that toilet. I need some wood. Justice. What is that? Skeleton. Can I do rain for everything done from this skeleton? I don't know. My stuff. I will die here and start this rain. Why? I will die. What are you see, guys? Really? And I died. I go outside. Yeah. Skeleton died, but that. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What? Rain killing me! Not again, please, rain! Oh my gosh! Rain killing me! Rain killing me! Rain killing me! But how? If I come here, I can die. I died. Rain killing me. Rain killing me. I can't wait. Where I go? What happening? Rain. No rain. Run. I died. From rain. Oh, you're a skeleton, you come. Wait a minute, where's this villager? Oh yeah, fighter, but how can I go? Come on, skeleton, scare me, hit me, beat me. How can I sleep? Aha! Something I think. How you want? If you want kill a skeleton, how? But you have nothing. See how you will kill. Someone TNT and wait skeleton. If I do, you wait there and what? I can do chat if something damage me. Okay, I stop here and I comment summon TNT and run. Explode station. What the? Let's do again. I don't know. Someone under dragon kills. Yes, I think he's killed the skeleton. Hey, where'd you go? Kill skeleton. Wait a minute. Oh man. Okay, I do summon iron golem. Sorry. Summon iron golem. Yes. Here you go. Kill skeleton. Just kill. 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 I drop you, bitch. And you killed. Maybe. Fight. Are you fighting? I think no. Fight now. Easy. What the? How powerful, yeah? How you will that? Yeah. Newbie. Oops. More skeleton. Bye. Kill a skeleton. Kill a skeleton. Kill a skeleton. Oops. I damaged Iron Golem. Kill a skeleton. 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 Yes. I'm gonna die. I died. Where's the my kid died? Kill. Bye. I died. Iron Golem is too much stronger. I will battle with you. Thanks, water, for saving me. Really? Oh my god. Where's the Iron Golem? Iron, come to battle. I'm a stronger. You know. Well, that now. Watch! You're too much stronger. Watch. Whee! You can come water, you can come water. Genius! I will stand here, noob. What the? How much stronger? Run, house! Be safe. Don't hide in the well. I can get out the house now. Newbie, Iron Golem. Newbie. Hello. Really? Hey, you, man. Watch. Can I leave? Yes. I'm safe. Ready for that. Round 1. Summon Witcher skeleton. Fight Iron Golem. Really? It's not safe. Okay. Summon Ender Man. Why it's not saving? Summon Zombie. Fight with Iron Golem. Not me. Run. What the? Zombie, help me! I gonna be the zombie approaching this. One zombie will get 1 million zombie turn. Help me! Run! I'm zombie. Hey, I'm your friend, noob. I'm zombie. This is my. I don't know. What is that? I'm zombie. noob. and I want to play zombie approaching game. Let's start by what the zombie approaching? What zombies? What the heck? Zombies. Zombies, guys. Are you see this zombie? Look, this zombies! Help me! Help me! Wake up! One zombie in my home. Leave me alone. Don't get my stuffs. Never. Help me! I need to get out and close the door. What? 2 zombies. Villagers safe, but I'm entity zombie villager. Kill me? Entity? Really? Entity kill me? Don't even know. Dead. Can I see the zombies you're killing? Go on, villager. One, get villagers. There's the zombie. Really? Really killing? Did you? Kill him! Kill him! Oh my gosh! Watch! What the? 3 zombies! 3! I don't even know 3. Help me! You will dead, not get helped by other. Leave with my house. Really? What the heck? What is this? Oh my gosh. It's rain. I'm high. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. And everything done. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Again, popular video. Bye.